Hello, everyone. Today we're going to be looking at another way of finding equivalent fractions. So another way of doing this is by using our knowledge of multiplication and division. When we want to find two fractions that are equivalent to each other, we have to do the same thing to our numerator, our top number, as we do to our denominator. So for example, we could times both by 2. Times our numerator and our denominator by 2. This will equal 2 over 4. Now, a visual representation of what we've done can be seen here. Here we've got 1/2. We've got a fraction strip divided into two pieces, and I have shaded 1/2 of my fraction strip. Here I have taken the same length fraction, and instead of dividing it into 2, I've divided it into 4. You can see that I've taken the 1, 2 pieces of my diagram and split it into 1, 2, 3, 4, just like I did here, 2 times 2. Now, if I want to shade it so that it is equivalent to 1/2, I need to 1 times 2. I need to shade my fraction strip. I need to shade 2 of them. So you can see that the 2 are equal to each other. I can do the same by multiplying it by 3. So I can go 1/2. I can do times the numerator by 3 and the denominator by 3, and that will equal 3 over 6. Now I can do this with any numbers as long as I am consistent with what I am multiplying it by. So I could multiply it by 100 and 100, and I would get 100 over 200, and it is still equivalent to 1/2. Now I can do the same with this fraction here. 2/3 times my numerator by, say, 3, and my denominator by 3, and I get 6 over 9. I could do the same with 10 over 20. If I times this by, say, 5, numerator by 5, and my denominator by 5, then I will get 50 over 100. Now, I don't always need to multiply to find fractions which are equivalent to another fraction. For example, I can look at 12 and 36, my fraction 12 over 36. And I can think about any factors that are common between these two numbers. So for example, I know that both numbers are even, so both numbers can be divided by 2. So just like we multiply, I'm going to do whatever I do to my numerator to my denominator. So I'm going to do 12 divided by 2 and 36 divided by 2, which will give me 6 over 18. I can also do this with other numbers, any other factor of 12 and 36. So for example, I could do 12 divided by 3 and 36 divided by 3, which would give me 4/12. I could also divide both of them by 4. So 12 divided by 4 will give me 3, and 36 divided by 4 will give me 9. I can carry on with many different factors, including 12. So 12 divided by 12 is 1, and 36 divided by 12 is 3.